Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Varis. Welcome you all in Healthcare with Dr. Varis. Today I will talk about antenatal care of ladies which become pregnant. She must be take care of her health. So his hemoglobin should be more than 11 grams and her blood pressure should be controlled. She should not be feet edema on her feet. She should have to care about her hygiene and health and nutrition, because in her body two lives are being developed. So she must take care of nutrition as well, and she should not do big exercise and take care of taking medicines are being chosen by doctor as not self-medication should be taken, because they will cause a teratogenic effect on her baby, like a cleft palate or cleft lip as well. And if she will take medicines by herself, they will harm her body, like antimalarials and even blood pressure drugs are not being taken herself. When it is confirmed to be pregnant, then a pregnant lady should take one folic acid tablet daily throughout her period of pregnancy. She must take her medicines according to the advice of her attending doctor, and she also have to take their appointment before delivery to any regular checkup. For any regular checkup, at least 7 to 8 times prenatal checkup is necessary, because to show the position of child, we must have to get their ultrasound as well, and so many tests are also necessary to see their protein and their urine and blood sugar level and anemia also, and quantity of blood in it in our body which is also necessary for as a safe delivery. And she must have to take at least 2 doses of tetanus toxoid in a TT vaccine as well, so she cannot develop tetanus to her baby. So it is also necessary. Fruits are very helpful and necessary in pregnancy. These are like mangoes, oranges, apricot, pomegranates, and these are very essential and very important fruits for their nutrients. And some fruits should not be taken during pregnancy, like grapes and pineapples, watermelon, dates, and these are not very good for pregnancy. And one big suggestion for all ladies, that they should not marry before 20 years and after 40 years. It is a big in between times you must get married, and then it will be very necessary for your baby and your health also. And one thing also I have mentioned, that before marriage it is necessary to get thalassemia minor tests from your bride and groom also. If these both are in the thalassemia minor, then the coming baby will be in the thalassemia major. And previously it was decided and said that when there is cousin marriages, then they will develop the thalassemia like diseases to their child. But now wherever though in any races, any other community will get married, but these can also get thalassemia like diseases. So they can be prevented only by testing and the thalassemia minor of both bride and groom. Take care. Allah Hafiz.